Hi, K-pop so-ons, internet, YouTube. This is RussNJ here, and Girls' Generation, So녀시대 just released another music video today, and it's the all-night music video. And I think that was some of the things that got teased in the trailers, where it's like, "I like to party," and it's something like that. And I'm pretty sure that was Hyun's voice. Anyway, they released a clean version aside from the documentary version, which I'll link the documentary version around here somewhere. But we're going to go for the clean version because I think the documentary version is something you don't react to. It's more just you watch it and listen, and it's a documentary. So yeah. So let's get to the clean version of 소녀시대's All Night. 1, 2, 3.
I like to party.
They get right into it. Oh my. I like it, it's funky. Oh snap. Hey. All night. Oh, it's slow down a bit. I love it because it feels like it's like some kind of, it's like a club or some kind of bar. Holy, Sunny's hair changed again. Oh my gosh. I love all that cool hand movements and stuff. Another fun dance track. I can't wait to see this live stage. It's gonna be so lit. If any of them are wearing contact lenses, they look great. What the f? Wait, those weren't social members. Who are those people?
Check it, let it go. 이번 party chillin', keep it 점점 뜨거워지고. 어찌 할 바를 모르는 우리들도 서로를 만들기만 알고 있고. So drop it, just drop it on the floor. 그대가 똑같은 너만의 baby face.
Seriously, just seeing that this is a very dancey music video, yo, the live stage, I'm so hyped for that, let's get it! Someone with short hair, I just can't beat her. And Sooyoung just like looks like a real kick-ass lounge singer real quick. Yo, this amount of sparkle, I see it right now. I'm just like... I'm not gonna lie, all the ships that I've never heard of... It's small moments are happening in this video where it's like... Was that a thing you ship? This dance break. Holiday club. Oh man. This is a really fun song and music video right now. Oh yeah. Yes! Yo, that was fun. Yo, this is a really fun video. I definitely could see myself getting down to this. I could see everyone enjoying themselves to this so on, so we can just chill or, you know, get real fun with this song. This is so awesome. I'm really excited for this album. I liked the first title track, Holiday. I like this title track, All Night. Yo, I'm really excited for the B-sides. Yes! Oh my god. The amount of hype I am putting myself. And I don't think I'll get disappointed, to be honest. And I think this is something I definitely dig. So, yo, check it out. And definitely check out the documentary version I mentioned earlier. Because, yo, I don't know what's in the documentary version. I just know the clean versions with the dancing and the movement and the sparkles and the shabam. Like, yeah, go watch it, guys. Go. Bye.